Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in that wonderful little town of Belfair, Washington, or Hickville, USA as I love to call it. So welcome to my channel everybody. This is my November 2025 Paper Pumpkin alternative video number 17. This is the cute little thing I was telling you about, right? Yes, I think so anyways. I think it's a cute idea. No, not using that. That goes back into the little bag of goodies. So this kit is called Wrapped in Cheer. 8 boxes, 8 gift tags. This QR code would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it is designed. A visual of everything that comes in the kit. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. Now over here, this QR code would lead you to this set of 6 dies called the Abundant Joy dies. They will coordinate with October, November, and December's Paper Pumpkin kit, but feel free to do anything and everything your heart desires with them, right? So the stamps are Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, with love to and from our house to yours, sending a little cheer, a gift for you and this wreath. With that being said, let me show you my idea. I need the Stampin' Pears mat. Let's turn it over here. So I have a North Pole sack and I'm pulling out a little, I'm making a shaker. I'm making a shaker. So we're going to put a little shaker onto our, no, we don't need that. We could, but no. Might have to use that for something else. So I used the Abundant Joy dies and I die cut the center out, and then I put the acetate here, right? I put that in there, and I put the tear tape, the dimensional backing on there. We're just going to set that aside. We're going to stamp on this because I've been doing this with the others. I did it in black and it came out really nice, but this time we're going to do it in the Mossy Meadow, like it's meant to be in this color, I think. But the black came out really nice, just something different. So we're just going to kind of do that checkerboard pattern going down the line here. And then you just kind of stamp in between them. And I'll probably get better as we do, and then it'll be time to end, right? So I'm going to go in between again. And then in between those. And you're all done. It's that quick. And I'm using the little 3 berries from the Joy to the World Paper Pumpkin Kit, October 2020's kit. And we're going to do that in Cherry Cobbler, just to give it a little bit of festive red here. And then we'll fold this little box up. Then we'll stamp our oh, looks like I need a little berry there, a little berry everywhere, right? All right. So we need to stamp our North Pole sack and not in the Cherry Cobbler. We're going to get rid of that one. Bring this back in. We're going to do the same pattern. Stamp in between them. Other side, in between those. That's it. I'm not doing the other side. I'm not putting berries on this. Oh, I do need a tag for this. We'll have to. That really is not big enough. But we'll see about using it on that in a minute, because I didn't get that far apparently in my thinking. My thought process didn't move that far. It got to shaker, shaker, shaker. Shaker alert. That's all it wanted to do, right? So this one is already creased for you, but you can go ahead and crease it. Me, you guys know me, I like to fold up, up, and away from me. It's just kind of my thing. Give them all a nice crease. Really can't pre-crease them and then stamp on them because it just won't look nice. And then we're going to put it together. No glue is necessary, and glue really won't hold on this plastic, trust me. Yeah, it still doesn't want to hold. That plastic coating does not like anything. So these little tongues, these little flaps come in. This part comes up, and it's easier if you kind of do that. So tongues in, all four. Tuck the tongues in. This piece comes up over and it folds into that little slot. So tongues in, up, over, tuck into the little slot, and it's secured. Oops, I missed a tongue. Let's untuck for a minute. We missed the tongue did not want to get tucked in. It wanted to stick out at us. So there's our cute little box. So this is what we are going to do our shaker on. And I see a little spot of something. Okay. So we have our little shaker that we die cut the center out of the tag from the kit. And I have my little container here of sequins. Give it a nice little turn, a little shake. Pardon my reach as I get my spoon. Oh, yes, the gorilla in me is coming out, right? A gorillagram. I was watching as time goes by. And if you guys have even seen that, you'll know that Alistair sent a gorillagram. So, if any of you see that, that's what I was referencing. So, we have this one, and we have, if I can get it out, Merry and Bright. We need to see which one. It's going to go at an angle. We could do Merry and Bright and have that on the inside. Or we could do Candy Cane Wishes and Mistletoe Kisses. I kind of like Merry and Bright. Though this one really would fit in there like this. Right? You could do it straight because their boxes show it going straight. So we could do a straight one. Okay, we'll do it like they do it. We're going to stick this in the center. I did not think I would do that. And I'm going to try to get this pretty well. I should have probably put this on there first, but we're going to do it. I'm going to give it a little smushy around to try to get that glue down there. Now I'm going to take a peek. I'm going to scooch it down maybe a little. Nope, it's not going to scooch anymore, which is fine because it's going to pull down there our wonderful shaker bits. Oops, that are going everywhere. So I want a nice mix. Nice spoonful should do it. Oh yeah, this is going to be fun. We need sequins in there. We got everything but the sequins, and I don't know. We're going to have to take some out of there. We're going to have to let some fall to the side because I just don't see all of that sitting too well inside of that. So I want the green. All right. We're going to try to keep all of those in the center. Everything else we'll pick up after the video and put back in the container. Let's take all of this off. All of our backings, maybe. for goodness sakes, just come off of there already. Okay, it is. It's like, lady, I am off. The backing is gone. There's nothing on there but the sticky stuff, and we need the sticky stuff. This was great doing this little version of a shaker because I got to use little cut-offs of my window sheets. I think okay, I'm thinking that we could have put more in there, but I'm going to keep it as it is. There we go. All right. Don't. Oh, I know why. I'm like, why are they all falling out? Because they're inside the box. Okay, let's get these off to the side. These can go in the bin. Now let's give it a shake. And I have Houston, we have a problem. I have a sequence that is stuck to the go away. I have some things that are stuck to my bits and they're not adhering. We need to seal that up. There. Press it all the way down so nothing comes out of there. Now let's give it a shake. It's sealed now. It's not going nowhere. Perfect. That one has a bead stuck up underneath it. It should loosen up though. All right, so that's done. I have this bow, which we could put there, but then it's in the way. So we have these little bows we got from Hobby Lobby. Yes. We're going to pull one of those up, stick it up there. Cute as a button, right? That works. So that's done. Check. And we need to decorate this because this is going to go inside our little bag. We're going to move that up there. And we could put Merry and Bright on here. We could do Christmas. I'm trying. Oh, we could do. This is a nice big one. I could trim that down and do Jingle All the Way. Let's see what else. What else do I have in this bag of miscellaneous belongings of stuff? North Pole Delivery, Merry and Bright, Seasons, Greetings. This is really too fancy. Those are things I made. What else do I have? Wonder and Joy. No, that's too fancy. This one says Merry and Bright. We could put that there. That does not go. Nope. I'm not sure if I have anything else. We could put... I think we're going to go with Jingle All the Way and we're going to cut that down. I like the Christmas. I just don't... The only Merry is I have Merry and Christmas. We could do that. Be Merry. No. No, no, no. We're going to do Jingle All the Way. We're going to add this to this because that works. Let that set up. And we're going to go ahead and trim down Jingle All the Way. and things that were old and just sitting in my little box of Christmas ephemera and cutoffs are getting a new lease and being useful again, which I absolutely love. Is there something on the... We could put... I don't. Well, that's actually not bad. I was like, we could put that on there as a belly band and do that. That actually looks pretty good, doesn't it? So let's do that. So we're going to go ahead and glue this down. Let's see if... It looks like it takes 3 of these. So we're going to go here. I don't have anything for the back, but that's okay. Like I said, things are becoming useful. What's going to go in the little box? Something for Hank for his stocking, obviously, or just out for Hank because it's going to get used. Not sure what's going to go in there. But cute, right? And that needs to sit. I forgot. So that's that. And Jingle All the Way. And we can put that up on dimensionals. So when it curves, we don't have to worry about it. We will do 3 across the center there. Or maybe we'll do like a number 5 die. So it'll have good support. I could I cannot speak apparently. I could have this be a prize for one of the games we're going to play. That would be a good idea. What am I going to put in it? Probably cash. A little bit of cash. And the only person who's happy about the cash, the only reason why I even do that is because of Hank. I mean, last year I had little containers filled with change that I had saved. And he was extremely pleased with that. I'm not going to stick quarters or anything like that in there. But I could go to the bank and get some $2 bills and fold them up and put inside of here. And that would... I know it says candy cane wishes, but Hank would rather have cash. In fact, I could go into my bedroom and pull some out because I just keep the $2 bills. So, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you like this, and I'm excited because we're this close to the end, everybody. So, I hope to see you all again soon here in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.